Metal. Hello and good day, kids. How we doing? It is Todd from Toju. How we doing? Got a new box to open here. I picked this one up from RC Superstore. I know what this is, and you guys might know, but we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up, see what we got in here. Let me move the tripod over here. Before we do, those are all tomato sauce, and that is all salsa from my tomato crop harvest and pepper harvest. So they both came out really nice. Anybody else grow a garden and do some canning? Good stuff, man. All right. Let me adjust this just a little bit here. Forgive us. So right now I'm working on I've got a chip coming to make this Evolution car into a digital. This is an old 2008 Superbird of my friend Kurt's. It's a really, really nice car. So, yeah. Once that chip comes in, I'll actually do a video of me changing it and see if I screw up or what have you. All right. Hope everybody's good today. Did that happen? It's another hot day here in the Midwest. We haven't really had fall come into play quite as much here in Iowa like other places have. I have to say, I placed this order over the weekend, and they did actually email me and said your order's there, and it shipped out on Monday, and 2 days later it's here, which is pretty good. Yeah. So this is Dave the Hatman in my cars. Here's who we got this from. So, you know, they have really good prices. Picked up some spare braiding and a couple guide keels for these new cars. I think I need them. I'm not 100% sure. They weren't very much, so I grabbed them. So here's mine. Mine is a 37 Dodge Coupe. Let me get this bad boy opened up here. And this is a kit we have to put together and paint and what have you. I'm going to do this up in the Gulf livery. And this kit from them was $41.99. Not bad at all. That's RC Superstore. So I'm pretty excited. I will do a video of me putting this bad boy together. I'm going to paint this up in the Gulf livery and colors. Pretty excited to do this kit. And here's Dave the Hatman's. He went with a pre-painted version, so it can just be put together. Got to open this bad boy here. It's got some tape. And this is a 34 Ford. I love the black and green. That is just going to be beautiful. And then we can put on numbers and what have you and all that sort of stuff. So very cool. And this one was $44.99, so just a little bit more for the pre-painted kits. They have several pre-painted kits. They also offer Pioneer cars with, there's a Camaro kit like this that's white, and a 67 Camaro, and a, oh my gosh, I can't think. I think it's a 69 Mustang, but it's not a fastback. If it was a fastback, I'd consider it, but very cool. Very excited to put these together. I'm going to do a whole video little thing on all of this, but when I put it together. But let's open it up and just kind of see what we got in here. Let's see, does this have tape? Yep, they always have tape. So if there's any tips anybody has on putting these together, if they've done that, please comment down below. We'd be very interested to read what there is to say. It comes with some pre-done numbers and stuff. These aren't water slides, so yeah, I don't know. A few livery things too, Edelbrock, Bell, and Hertz. So that's kind of cool. But the numbers may come in handy, so that's super cool. So here's the chassis, the bearings, all the gears, the rims, the tires. I guess these are Superthane, which I think is urethane. I don't know. If anybody knows, please let me know. Those guide keels I probably didn't need, it looks like. But, oh well, that's alright. This looks pretty straightforward in all truth. We do have the Carson chips coming. Looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit of soldering and all that. No biggie. I assume that there's directions in here somewhere, but I don't see any directions. I'll have to look that up. Here's some inside bits, grills, windshield. Oh, these are actual metal. These two pieces. And here's bumpers. These look like a lot of fun. I'm hoping these might be able to take on Adam's Cheetah and his Cobra, because those can't be beat by any cars with regular motors in them. And I'm just knocking crap all over the place. You too can be clumsy, that's right. Send me $5.95 and I will send you a book on how to be clumsy and knock shit over, just like Todd does. It will be worth your time, I promise. Just email us if you want to know. But yeah, this is really neat. I'm going to have to get started on my paint work here and figure out how I want to lay it out. I've actually got some water slides in my other ones here, so I can do my golf livery with all my advertisers. So I'm all set for that. That reminds me, I really need to put some numbers on my Roadrunner, and maybe a few liveries. I think I'm gonna put some on there. Anyway, yeah, very cool kit. Looks really fun. I'm gonna have to start putting this baby together, maybe even tonight. Anyways, so that's all I got for this quick little video. I hope everybody's well on this midweek. You guys have a good day. I will see you later, Slot Cowboys. Metal and race on. Oh, and be a kid as young. I didn't screw that up. I can't even talk right. Be a kid as often as possible, everybody. That's why we race slot cars. Have fun, be nice. Cheers.